beauty professionals grapple with the idea of raising their rates. It's not something to be taken lightly. Your rate structure can have a big impact on your business. This is why raising your rates can oftentimes be a very stressful endeavour. But if you are great at what you do, then you should periodically increase your rates. You are providing a valuable service, and you should be appropriately compensated. But how do you go about doing this without angering or losing your current clients and without limiting the flow of new prospects? Well, there are 3 tips you can employ when raising your rates to make the process much less painful. Number 1, put it in writing. When something is in writing, it feels more credible. Plus, you can use specific language to clearly support the reason for raising your rates. So ideally, communicate your increase via email, text, or letter. And that leads to the second tip. Always provide a reason for increasing rates. And when you state your reason, use the word because. Studies show that using because makes a difference in how people perceive your message. And finally, tie it in with something that shows you are now providing additional value. It could be a certification, something you've recently been trained on, a milestone, such as being a practitioner for 3 years, or something else. Here's an example of a brief message that brings together all 3 tips. Mary, I so appreciate your business and enjoy our sessions together. Hey, I wanted to pass along that my rates will be increasing 10% starting January the 1st, because that will be my 3-year anniversary of being a stylist. I look forward to seeing you soon. Notice also that this message is clear and specific. It also provides an opportunity to connect with your clients by conveying appreciation. Raising your rates is never an easy task, but it's important that you charge a fair amount for the value you provide. Try using these tips next time you increase your rates. They'll help make the process less stressful.